Meme titans set to explode. Memecoin world. You heard of it? It's heating up. And at the front of the line is Pepe and Bonk. Pepe's recent surge has reignited global search trends, whale accumulation, and speculation fervor. Meanwhile, Bonk is quietly rewriting memecoin economics with token burns, buybacks, and legit utility baked into its ecosystem. Both tokens, they feel like they are gearing up for liftoff. And that's only the beginning. Welcome back to another episode of JRNY TV. My name is Nick, and this is where you get your inside look at the biggest plays in crypto, minus the fluff. Today we are unpacking why Pepe, that little green frog, and Bonk could go parabolic in the next cycle. We're going to dig into why Pepe's viral rebound actually matters, why Bonk's utility model breaks the meme mold, and what kind of upside could be on the table if altcoin season really kicks off. Let's jump into it. Pepe's viral momentum and technical setup. That little green frog, Pepe, is back in headline mode, and for all the right reasons. Google Trends data just lit up with a 300% surge in search interest over a single weekend, pushing that little green frog to the top of global trends and signaling renewed retail curiosity. At the same time, trading volume, it spiked into the trillions, reflecting increasing speculation and positioning by whales. Now, check the technical roadmap. Pepe smashed through a long-term downtrend. That December 2024 ceiling was shattered on July 10th, and a retest 5 days later cemented the breakout. The token also confirmed a double bottom formation, making higher price targets reasonable if momentum stays intact. Analysts are even mapping a bull pennant on the chart, a classic setup for explosive upside if the volume keeps fading in. Whale behavior aligns too. Large holders, they're scooping the dips. One whale scooped $538,000 in Pepe and ETH on-chain, while exchange supply a notable drop over the past month, both bullish accumulator signs. And while the network value to transactions, known as the NVT ratio, sits elevated, a sign of speculative overvaluation, it's twitching lower, suggesting the network health might catch up soon if volume expands. If you put it all together, the viral momentum, the technical breakout confirmation, the increasing on-chain accumulation, and off-chain chatter, that's the kind of setup memecoin cycles were made for. And if altcoin season fires and sentiment holds, Pepe could see a big continuation. Bonk's reinvention, utility, buybacks, and the deflation catalyst. Bonk isn't just another dog-themed meme coin. It's writing a new playbook on how memes meet real utility. Built on Solana, Bonk.fun now powers over 55% of Solana token launches. That's more than media-hyped Genesis. It's real product adoption. With over 200,000 projects launched and daily layer 1 volume eclipsing $500 million, Bonk is less meme and more infrastructure narrative. Here's the kicker. The team funnels roughly 50% of fees from Bonk.fun back into Bonk token buybacks and burns. In the last month alone, they burned 500 billion tokens, nearly $18 million worth. Rumor has it, there's a trillion token burn plan in motion, drastically shrinking supply, increasing scarcity, starkly, and rewarding the long-term holders. This isn't fluff. It's a designed deflationary engine, and it shows institutional alignment. Technical signals, they back it up. Bonk recently broke above key resistance levels, triggering a short squeeze and logging multiple days of ultra-high volume. Classic indicators of renewed interest. Large wallet accumulation is also rising, and exchange flows show withdrawals outpacing deposits, meaning long-term holding is increasing. You put those pulses together, real-world utility, strong burn mechanics, ecosystem growth, and technical confirmation, and you've got yourself a perfect storm. In a bull market, Bonk isn't just riding the meme wave, it's set to lead it. Bonk's reinvention, utility buybacks, and deflation engine. Bonk is no longer just a meme coin. It's becoming a real engine of utility and structural momentum. Over on Bonk.fun, the native launchpad, more than 55% of Solana's new meme coin launches now happen on their platform, easily eclipsing Pump.fun. And recent data shows over 175,000 token launches, with $540 million in volume just in the last reported window, translating into $34 million in fee revenue for the ecosystem. Critically, a huge portion of fee revenue gets diverted back into Bonk token buybacks or burns, a structural demand engine. Just last week, 500 billion Bonk tokens, worth roughly $18.6 million, were all burned, reducing the circulating supply by a little over 0.5% in one sweep. Meanwhile, the plan is to eventually burn 1 trillion tokens as the community nears 1 million unique holders. And it's already locked in as part of the long-term tokenomic roadmap. On-chain activity reinforces the narrative. Despite overbought technicals, the RSI above 70, the exchange outflows topped $1.8 million, signaling accumulation by long-term holders. Maybe you're asking yourself, what do you even get from all of this? Well, Bonk isn't just riding a speculative wave. It's backed by real usage, institutional attention, deflationary tokenomics, and technical validation. When altcoin season gets going, the infrastructure is going to find a place for Bonk, and Bonk will hit the kind of moves that meme coins very rarely do. Why both Pepe and Bonk could 10x in this next bull market. Think about it. Two meme coins with entirely different strengths, both firing at the perfect time in the cycle. And here's why a 10x isn't just possible, it's plausible. Pepe is riding that resurgence that started in July. The viral meme momentum, the skyrocketing Google trends, the whale buying, and technical breakout confirmations. They all matter. Altcoin season historically flips when retail interest peaks and technical patterns break. Pepe has both. It's already cracked major resistance and built volume support. A move from its current levels isn't wishful thinking. It's textbook bull move logic in meme coin land. With continued social buzz and narrative fuel, a 2x from here, it feels conservative. Bonk, meanwhile, is rewriting what a meme coin can and will be. We're talking real ecosystem traction. 1 and 2 new Solana tokens launching via Bonk.fun, burning half of protocol revenue and shrinking supply in real time. You combine that with growing institutional exposure, think Q3 watch lists and high profile mentions, consistent whale accumulation, and a breakout above the previous resistance, and Bonk is structurally positioned for rapid upside. If Solana rallies or the ecosystem use expands, Bonk could easily break from its current levels. But here's why both together could provide symmetry for massive returns. Pepe delivers virality and price explosion on social momentum, while Bonk delivers deflationary tokenomics and ecosystem depth. This pairing, it sets up not just for hype, but for sustained utility-led breakout. In a true bull market, early vector combos like this often outperform singular plays. And meme coins fueled by both the attention and the tokenomics, that is where the wild returns live. Meme season is only just beginning. Pepe and Bonk aren't just riding the hype. They're redefining what meme coins can do in 2025. One's got the viral momentum and the explosive charts to prove it, and the other, well, it's burning supply and building real infrastructure on Solana. This isn't just speculation anymore. It's strategy being implemented right now. So if you're sitting on the sidelines and maybe you just are waiting for that perfect signal, this is it. But remember, in crypto, timing is everything. The smart plays aren't always loud. Sometimes they're just early. This is JRNY TV. As always, keep stacking that knowledge, keep watching those charts, and remember, the future belongs to those who start preparing for it today. We will see you in the next one.